lot of points in your agenda. I don't know over which point he walked out exactly. But I just like to say first, that is not the way somebody, he was an ex-mayor also now, that is not exactly the way he should carry himself. Okay, and he's also now an inspiring candidate for whichever party he wants to stand for. But we want to apologize for that first. But second, we had a lot of other works that, I don't know which point particularly he was talking about.
But he was talking about the National Theatre that...
What is the exactly issue of the National Theatre?
See now, that National Theatre now has been pending in court for some 13 years. Okay. So now we know for a fact that we'll go into court for another 5 years or even another 10 years also now. See now, the CCP is in desperate need for funding. Okay. Now the outstanding over this past few years now has been like some 37 crores. Okay, so now even if we want to plan like any initiatives for the city, we cannot because we do not have the funding. So now we are hoping to settle the National Theatre thing basically for an alternative means of income. Now he is accusing us of wanting to sell the property and all, which is stupidity. Now what we've done is we've approached the government to grant us a 15 crore special grant for next year. So we want to utilize that money for the development of National Theatre. So that is basically it. He is just unhappy because it wasn't done in his time, it is done during the art tenure. That is it.
Now, is CCP trying to, the way he is trying to saying that CCP is trying to sell the National Theatre?
First of all, everyone knows what Uday is like. He would have sold his building also if it was possible.
No,
we are not interested in any of that. So we are doing everything properly. All our documents and everything are ready for all of you to scrutinize at any point also. You all can sit for our meetings. There is nothing for us to hide also.
Commissioner just...
We are taking a very practical approach to this. As we go the normal way, he is insisting that hearings take place. Hearings are going to take place, but it's going to take a long time. Individual hearings. Till the time the matter is heard and disposed, and if it is disposed of, whoever the aggrieved party will go to appeal, the next set of hearing will take place. But we don't know how many new councils will come in, and the building is going to come down. So in order, in the interest of the CCP, interest of the Panjim citizens, residents, and in the interest of our own coffers, we decided we'll enter into an agreement with the parties to withdraw the petition, and we'll see what is the best we can work out. That is why we put it to the council for the approval.
With the same party or whichever party approaches?
No, the
only one
party. There's only one.
There's only one.
So the same one?
Yes.
Yeah, the one guy who was
Who is that lead owner?
Rao.
So he is satisfied whatever you are compromise on that.
For that we require the council approval to approach him and talk to him, bring him to the negotiation table.
So now it has been approved.
It has been approved.
Now you will go ahead with it.
Yes.
We'll go ahead. Yes.
No, but any amount which has been left pending by that earlier party or something, which has to be paid to CCP or something like that?
We'll have to check whether it is.
That will be verified from
I'll get
our
the ATO to give you all the details and everything.
He's talking about recruitment.
There is no recruitment.
There is no
They're
recruitment
not
today.
recruiting anybody. There are only 181 staff which was there earlier with us now. It is because
See,
the
normally we renew it every 3 months. But now we've just decided to renew it every 6 months because it's one less agenda point that we have to take
So
forward.
there is no addition.
Nothing, no addition at all. Nobody has been added.
No, and secondly, he is accusing CCP of not paying salary.
You can
go to the accounts and verify.
Verify now.
I will not answer that. Go to the accounts and verify. Everybody has been paid.
He was accusing that all the
So
contracts.
Uday does that only, no. That is his job basically, to make a noise. That is it. Nothing has
Could
been
you
done during
clarify
his
on
term
this
and he's trying to put us down.
Market, what about this third phase? Instead
See,
of
now
getting
what-
second phase, they are heavily...
So that we have decided. So now for the third phase now it is approved already. But what we've decided now is we will wait until we solve the second phase issues and then we will go forward to the third phase. Then it will become irresponsible as we've not collected for second and we're going forward with third.
So how much
Might not be
amount
the
is
best.
to be collected?
For the second phase?
The second phase,
Lot.
thing, 40 crores?
No, not 40 crores. Less than that.
Uh,
Those details also I'll give you.
So would
Yes.
the CCP first see that this amount is collected and then go for third phase or what it is?
So we'll have to see what is.
It's amended.
Yeah.
Both the same.
Yes.
See now we've signed the first thing also. It was not done during any other. Now Pramay now has taken the initiative and he's got the first signature. So now we are hoping that many more also will follow. But our dues for the market are really huge. So we want to start collecting and settling all that issue.
So what are the total dues, any
In
approximate?
crores it will be. So not even the dues that they owe us, the money that we have spent for the market also is some 3.5, 4 crores. 4 crores is not a joke also, no? To spend in that thing. It's basically going to their private thing. So that is what we want to stop.
One of your employee has also made this saying that the CCP has not paid him salary. What do you have to say? That his salary has not been paid.
Contract wages salary, daily wages salary.
He has paid everybody's salary. You all can check also.
He
I will
also,
give you all the details
mentioned
after
that
this.
he has resigned from this post of
That is his
CCP
choice.
harassment.
People are free to come
That
and
is
walk
his
out if
choice.
they want. We cannot stop them.
Yeah. He can accuse anyone of doing anything. You know.
He also says that when CCP is yet to collect such amount of money, why you need third phase and all? At least get this money in.
See, that is what we've told you now. We have decided ourselves only to keep it on hold until we settle the market issue. See, it is a long pending issue. It's a very difficult issue also. I have full faith in Pramay. I'm sure he will get everything done also.
How many lease and license agreement have been signed at least now?
See, we've only signed the first one.
First
now
one.
we have another, say, 5 or 6 ready to sign. 10 are coming in total. So now once we start with those, we're hoping to get the rest signed also.
But what happens to your deadline thing which you have set up earlier, saying that by this time at least they should come and sign and all those things?
See, practically or not, everything works out the way you hope also. So now this is the first step also. We are hoping to take it forward also. This is not done by any other previous council also. But we're the first
It's been
one.
done by previous commissioner also. He has issued a notice and everything to get it signed.
Then there were some issues also.
People were not coming forward.
Yeah, but now what they are
Yeah.
ready to come and sign it. For others who are being more stubborn, they're going to issue the eviction notices.
Yeah, but
What was the drains issue you had raised? With the
Drains
drains?
issue.
Drain issue.
Drainage.
Suren had.
Yeah.
But even you all think had raised some drain issue in the agenda?
No, so we had proposed a huge drain from Miramar to Balbhavan.
Okay.
That drain was rejected due to some technical reason also.
Okay.
That was said.
Can you just give detail about the CCTV footage? The CCTV just implementing all over the Panjim?
From Smart City?
Yeah.
I'll get you those details from the listing. The locations and everything. I'll send you all of the details. That's it? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.